In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Instagram posts to LinkedIn. We'll walk through this process step by step, making it easy for you to share content across these two popular social media platforms. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to LinkedIn by typing linkedin.com into the address bar. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address and password. Be sure to keep your login information secure to protect your account. Now, if you have two-factor authentication enabled on your LinkedIn account, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity by sending a code to your phone. This step ensures that your account remains secure, especially when logging in from a new device or location. Enter the code as directed and you should be all set to access your LinkedIn feed. Our main task today is to share an Instagram post on your LinkedIn profile. To do this manually, the first thing you need to do is find the Instagram post that you want to share. Once you've located it, save the image from the post to your computer or device. You can usually do this by right-clicking on the image and selecting the Save Image As option, or if you're on a mobile device, press and hold the image until a menu appears, allowing you to save it. Next, let's handle the caption. Go back to the Instagram post and copy the caption text. Just highlight the text you're interested in, right-click and select copy, or use your device's copy function if you're on a mobile device. Now return to your LinkedIn homepage. Here you'll want to start a new post, so go ahead and click on Start a Post. A new window or dialog box should appear, giving you space to create your content. First, upload the saved image by clicking on the photo icon, then select the image file from your computer or device. This will attach the image to your LinkedIn post. In the text field provided, paste the caption that you copied earlier from Instagram. Simply right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut for pasting, which is usually Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+V on a Mac. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks and reads, it's time to share your creation with your LinkedIn network. Click on Post to publish your content. And there you have it. You've successfully published an Instagram post on LinkedIn, broadening your engagement to a wider audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.